Turai and Da recipe. Peel the edges of Ridge Gourd or Turai, then wash, and slice it. Add oil to cooking pot, then add onions, and fry until golden brown. Once the onions are brown, add slit green chilies, curry leaves, and ginger. Now add Turai, then add salt, red chili powder, and turmeric, saute it for 2 minutes, then cover with the lid and cook for 1 whistle. Now add eggs, then cover and cook again for 3 whistles. If you want to keep it vegan, do not add eggs, and cook the Turai for 3 whistles continuously. Once done, add chopped coriander. Yummy Turai is ready to serve. Like, share and subscribe, and comment down what recipe you want to see next.